Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi AC repeater. We will show you in easy and short steps how you can set up Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi AC repeater in just a few minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Start with the product unboxing. Inside the Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi AC repeater box, you'll find the Wi-Fi repeater, a quick start guide, and sometimes a warranty leaflet. The device is compact and plugs directly into a power socket, with LED indicators for easy setup. Plug in the repeater near your router and wait for the LED to start blinking. On your computer, smartphone, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network. It will be named something like Devolo Wi-Fi repeater. No password is required at this stage. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type http://devolo.wifi or 192.168.0.50. Press Enter, and the Devolo setup wizard should appear. Click Start to begin the setup. The repeater will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi, the network you want to extend. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Choose a name, SSID. For the repeater's extended Wi-Fi, you can keep the same name as your router, seamless roaming, or give it a different name, e.g., home_Wi-Fi_extended. Click Save and Apply, the repeater will restart. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location midway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi AC repeater is now set up and boosting your Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.